Amazon's spring sale is happening right now, and as always, I haven't partnered with any brands to promote their products, and instead, my wife manually tracks the prices of every product that I've recommended, so we can separate the real deals from the fake ones. And starting out with Robotic Vacuums, last year's flagships are all on sale because the 2026 flagships were just released. And I am currently in the process of testing them, and while there are some definite improvements in 2026, some of the discounts on last year's models are significant. Specifically, the Narwhal Flow, which recorded the best mopping score of any robot that I've ever tested, is on sale for $8.99, which is 30% off of its typical price and $100 less than it's ever been. And it also comes with a free bottle of mopping solution using the additional benefits section. And my two overall picks from last year's flagship video, the Dream X50 Ultra and Roborock Saros 10R, are both around 35% off and are also at their lowest prices ever. And between the two, you should pick the X50 Ultra if you have large thresholds to climb over, and the Saros 10R if you have a lot of low furniture to clean under. And among those three, my personal pick would be the Roborock Saros 10R. Moving on to robotic lawnmowers, I'm also in the process of testing this year's latest and greatest, and even though the winner from last year's video, the Ecovacs A3000 LiDAR, is 30% off, so far it seems like the robotic lawnmower industry as a whole has made huge advances in 2026, and to be totally honest, it's probably worth waiting for this year's review before you decide on a robotic mower. Similarly, there are some great deals on Projectors right now, with the Valerian Pro 2 and Hisense PX3 Pro 20% off their most common prices, but both of them are about to have some serious competition on their hands, and if you're considering the PX3 Pro, I would recommend backing the Ethereum Max Kickstarter instead. And in 2026, the Valerian Pro 2 is going to get massively outshined by the XGIMI Titan Noir that's currently in its pre-Kickstarter phase, where you can lock in the lowest Kickstarter price for a $50 deposit on XGIMI's website. However, if you don't want to wait on a Kickstarter project, the current best ultra short throw projector on the market, and the one I use in my living room, is the Nexgo Aurora Pro MK2, and it's 15% off of its most common price. And what I think is probably the best projector for most people, the XGIMI Horizon 20 Base, is finally back down to its release price of $13.99, which is its lowest price since Black Friday. If you're looking for a dashcam, the Viofo A119 Mini 2 is absolutely the best low-cost option at $85.99, which is the price that it hits for every big deal day before going back up to between $100 and $120. And last, in the miscellaneous category for home products, the Amerisense GAN 3-port 65-watt fast charging outlet is 35% off of its typical price. The Philips Ultra Definition light bulbs have been under $10 for a 4-pack since February, which is a great deal. And for the spring sale, basically every Shelly product is between 20 and 30% off, so it is a great time to try out their new Gen 4 series that are locally controlled via Wi-Fi or Zigbee. And I know this video was a little bit strange because I basically told you not to buy a bunch of things, but I do have links down in the description for everything in this video, as well as a link to the full price tracker and a Google Sheet that I will be updating during all the spring sale as prices go up and down. And as always, I appreciate when you use those links because as an Amazon affiliate, I do earn a small commission on the sale at no cost to you. Happy deal hunting out there, and as always, thanks for watching The Hookup.